does all the filming and the editing for us. And I'm going to take her on an adventure today. She's got the day off of work, I got the day off work, and we're going to go have some fun. So stay tuned. While you're waiting, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Let's go have some fun. Okay folks, that concludes today's video. Thanks for joining us on Jonna and I's great adventure on a rare day off, especially on a Friday. Silver Lake Sand Dunes in Michigan. It's absolutely beautiful here. The sun finally came out. We're having some fun. That's going to end today's video, and we're going to continue our adventure. We're going to ride around here for a little while longer, and then we're going to head on into town and get Jonna a souvenir sweatshirt, maybe an ice cream cone, and then head on back home in a little bit. Thanks for joining us today. You folks have a great day.